So hi everybody, this is the next part of my video. It's Friday, it's lunchtime, hopefully a few more people are watching today. So I've just got the good news that I've been shortlisted for the Canterbury Business Awards for customer service, which is brilliant. So really hoping that I'm going to get through and win that. It'd be great to have an award and something I can put all over my website and that type of thing. Today I'm talking about credit score and credit files. Does it really matter? People always ask me, and it's not always to do with borrowing money. Sometimes it's to do with being able to rent a property and having references taken and what people think of you. So credit score, what is a credit score? A credit score is something that lenders and other people can use to find out a bit more about you. It will show borrowing that you have, it will show how much you've got on credit cards, loans, mortgages, that type of thing. It will show if you've missed any payments. It also shows if you are registered on the electoral roll, so that's registered to vote. Now some people don't want to vote for whatever reason, don't think it's important, but it's really important in terms of credit score. Lenders like to see that you are registered to vote where you live. It gives them some sense that you're not trying to hide from anybody and that you're quite happy to be found. It helps them track your address history so they know you don't move house too often, which makes you seem more stable. So other things that can appear on your credit file that can be a problem, missed payments. It's really good sense to set up a direct debit to pay the minimum payment on your credit card. Even if you normally pay it in full or you quite often pay more than the minimum payment, it just means that if you miss that text alert that says your payment is due, or you miss the letter arriving on your doormat, that you don't end up with a late payment marked on your credit file. So if you want to get hold of your credit file, lots of different ways you can do that. You can use a service like noddle.co.uk, which will give you a free credit report. It will show you details of all the things that we talked about. You can also use services through people like Call Credit, Experian, Equifax. Some of them do it for free, some of them charge you. Most of them will do a free trial, but do be aware that at the end of your 28 days you're going to get billed, and sometimes that can be as much as £16 a month. So if you don't want to be paying for that, make sure you put a note in your diary and cancel it before the free period ends. The other thing I really want to talk about in terms of credit file, which people don't realise is quite important, is payday loans. Now, payday loans have been all over the press. They are a way that people can borrow money short term. Some people's circumstances mean that is the way they decide to go forward. The interest rates typically are very high, but what I would say is that on the whole, lenders do not like them. I suppose their logic is that if you are really that short of money for a couple of £100, you can't put it on a credit card because you don't have one, you have no friends or family that could lend you £200 if you got stuck, that actually you're not really a very good risk for a mortgage. And on the small print on the bottom of these agreements, it doesn't say that this is going to affect your credit worthiness. And some lenders will not give you a mortgage for 2 years if you've had a payday loan. So that can have a really big impact for something often you've used to buy something quite incidental that you don't really need for now. So do think twice about that. There are good types of credit and not so good types of credit, and that's the type of thing that you need to take some proper financial advice about. Now, this blog and this video is nothing to do with financial advice. If you want to get some advice, you need to come and talk to me or another qualified financial advisor. But I can give you some helpful hints. Go away, have a bit of a look into it yourself, and come back to me if you've got any questions. In the meantime, hopefully I will go through the business awards and get from being shortlisted to being a semi-finalist or a finalist, and I will let you know when I have some more news. So in the meantime, get a copy of your credit score. If you haven't done it, just have a check that nothing is on there that shouldn't be on there, defaults, CCJs, anything you don't know about that should be on there. Have a read through, check it makes sense, and then you're in the best possible position moving forward if you decide that you want to get a mortgage, change your mortgage, take a bank loan, or anything else. You actually know whether you're likely to be accepted rather than just being turned down and not understanding why. So anyway, there we go. That's the first video for today. I'm going to upload it to the YouTube channel, so if you've missed it and you want to come back on catch up, you can do that. And in the meantime, have a great weekend, and I will catch up with you soon. Bye then.